what makes the restaurant good or bad. I think service and price and taste is important to make a good restaurant. I recommend Ashley Pasta House, your own little space. I picked Ashley that is in gas station. Also among them, salad bars and dessert events are also underway, and it's so popular that you usually have to wait an hour when you go to the evening of the weekend, but you should still go. I picked Pasta House in Hogedong. They sell pasta like Italy food, and also they are not too expensive. I really like tomato pasta in there. Then I picked your own little space. There are very fantastic views there. They are in 평촌, and they sell Italy food too. So I guess that price and taste and service is make their good. In October, I went to your own little space, and my mom agreed that good service and tasty food and middling price. In addition, I love Italian food like pizza and pasta. In conclusion, these 3 restaurants are my favorite restaurants in Korea. Thank you for listening to my presentation.